Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got the watch face of the day and I need your honest opinion. I need for you to let me know your thoughts on such a watch face. I think it looks beautiful. But with that, let's go ahead. Let's just get this started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today, yes, we have the watch face of the day. Now the watch face is by Pappy, and the name of the watch face is called Sports Grade 12 24 Hours, and I'm telling you this watch face is one to be reckoned with. Now the reason it made the cut is simply because of the design, and also because the developer stepped outside of the box with this one. I'm liking this one. I like what it brings to the table, and this is why it made the cut. But here's a couple of things that I really like. I like the crisscross that's going on right here. I like the fact that I get my time in the slant, which is unique. I don't like to be like everybody else. I don't like to look like everybody else. And this will make me stand out in the crowd. You get your date, your day right there, along with your year. That's nice. Information on calories burned right there, heart rate information, steps, miles walked or ran. You get everything you could possibly need, battery percentage. I'm loving it. But what I really like that he laid out is the shortcuts. Now, I always need to make a phone call. I got my phone call right there. I also got where I can get my weather. I'm always checking the weather. You always got to know, is it raining, snowing, is it going to be nice? Am I going to go out tonight? And also, what's most valuable out of all is my music. I love my music, so I like the lineup, and I felt like he made this watch face just for me. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face and what you think. I think it's worth the download. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell before you leave. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Have a great day and or night, and I will see you all at the next video. Take care.